Does Tangerine Bank still offer a no-fee checking account? The short answer is yes. Tangerine continues to offer its signature no-fee daily checking account, maintaining its position as one of the most popular digital banking options in Canada. One of the main structural advantages of this account is that it carries zero monthly account maintenance fees. Furthermore, unlike many traditional brick-and-mortar financial institutions that require you to lock up a substantial amount of capital just to waive monthly service charges, Tangerine enforces no minimum balance requirements. You can keep a balance of $0 or several $1,000s without ever worrying about surprise maintenance deductions eating into your funds. Beyond the lack of monthly fees, the account provides unlimited daily transactions. This means account holders can execute an unlimited number of debit purchases, bill payments, and pre-authorized debits without incurring per-transaction costs. Additionally, sending and receiving Interac e-transfers is completely free, removing another common banking friction point. When it comes to accessing physical cash or managing day-to-day banking logistics, Tangerine leverages its relationship as a subsidiary of Scotiabank. Customers receive free access to over 3,500 Scotiabank ABMs across Canada, as well as thousands of international ATMs through the Global ATM Alliance. The account also features a Visa debit card, allowing users to make secure online and in-app purchases anywhere Visa is accepted, backed by zero liability protection. While daily banking is free, it is worth noting that certain non-standard services do carry separate fees. For instance, while your first book of 50 checks is provided at no cost, ordering additional checkbooks will cost you. Other minor fees apply to items like foreign currency conversions, specific bank drafts, or using out-of-network ATMs that do not belong to the Scotiabank or Global ATM Alliance networks. Ultimately, Tangerine's no-fee model remains fully intact, making it a compelling alternative for anyone looking to bypass traditional bank fees while retaining complete digital banking functionality. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.